How to choose the best WordPress hosting in 2021. Often overlooked, web hosting is one of the key components of every successful website. Choose the best WordPress hosting for your need can improve your SEO and increase sales. There are various different type of WordPress hosting options available, such as free, shared, VPS, decided, and managed WordPress hosting. In this guide, we will help you choose the best WordPress hosting for your website. VPE engineer in the largest free WordPress resource sites that receive millions of page views per month, having helped 4,000 plus users, 4 lakh plus users, and year of experience with WordPress hosting. Campaigns. We know the importance of choosing the best WordPress hosting company. Our goal with this guide in to share our 12 plus year of experience and insights on things you need to consider when choosing a hosting company for your business. To help you make the right decision, we have also done a side-by-side comparison of the top world hosting companies, included speed tested, uptime test, and reliability tests. Scroll to see the full comparison. If you are in a rush, then you can simply see the table below with our hand-picked list of best WordPress hosting campaigns. These campaigns are constantly the top WordPress hosting companies in the when it comes to quality and services. Plus, what are the WordPress hosting requirements? Things to consider when choosing a WordPress hosting provider. Best WordPress web hosting provides Bluehost, having one of the oldest web hosts, started in 1996. Bluehost has become the large brand name when it comes to WordPress hosting. They are an official WordPress recommended hosting provider. With Bluehost, you never have to worry about your website being slow even when there is a lot of traffic. Their 24/7 expert support is always there to help when you need it by phone, email, or live chat. They are rated number one in web hosting for small business. On top of that, they are affording web engineer user an exclusive 63% off discount, a free domain, free SSL, and a free site builder with temp. SiteGround. Saving SiteGround is one of the most popular and highest rated hosting provider in the WordPress community. They provide unique in-house WordPress speed and security solutions to make your site as fast as secure as possible. then are now of the best 24/7 spotted in the industry, which is why they are an official WordPress recommended hosting provider. This is also why we use SiteGround or Ground for hosting. The WPB Engineer website SiteGround features included automatically upgraded daily backup, built-in WP caching, free CDN, free SSL, one-click staging, and JIT version control. They are also one of the few companies offering location-specific hosting with 6 data centers in US, Europe, Asia, and Australia. On top of all this, they have a special 63% discount for web engineer readers. HostGator hosts over 10 million domains and is one of the most popular web hosting in the with one-click WordPress installation, 99% uptime guaranteed, and 24/7 supported. It's a smart choice for every web owner. We consider them the best web hosting for business. They are offering our reader and 62% of discount, a free domain name, and free SS rectified. DreamHost has been around for 18 years and is known for making web hosting easy. You get a custom dashboard, one-click WordPress install, automatic WordPress update, unlimited space, unlimited band, and free SSD, which make your site 200% faster. DreamHost power over 1.5 million WordPress blogs and websites. They are also an official recommended WordPress hosting provider. WPB engineers user get an exclusive 72% off and a free domain plus free SSL certified hosting. Hosters is become well-known name in the WordPress hosting industries. They offer affordable hosting, 24/7 live chat support, and a robust platform to host your website. Hosting come with automatic one-click WordPress install, manage automatic updated security, free CDN, WordPress speed, and free site. They also offer specific hosting, which a choice of 7 data centers in USA, Europe, Asia, South America, hosting server over 29 million users in 178 countries. On top of all this, they have a special 80% discounted for WPB engineer recorded, combined with free SSL and a free domain name.